Oh my. Bubbles. Lava. My pressure preparation. Baked beans. Baked beans. This is the coloring for this is baking soda. Yan na po the baking soda. Yan na po the coloring food next. For the vinegar. Slow. Oh my. Bubbles. What I learned here. So the volcano went boom. It was like magic. The wet stuff oozed out like syrup, then up high. Volcano like earth sneezes, but way color. Enjoy watching. Bye.